Uh, welcome, my friends. Welcome, my friends. We just started our stream, our weekly market outlook. It will be useful for beginners traders. We will cover top instruments for today: Forex, gold, oil, also cryptocurrency pairs. Because at this moment, Cardano and Link finally showed to us something good and accurate, and I will show you those patterns. That's why at this moment I ask you to push like, share this analysis with your friends, and yes. Mikria, yes, nice to see you here. In a few seconds, please, I will write into a chat here that we had started. We had started. Friends, type into the chat at this moment about quality of the sound, quality of the video, and also ask your questions about trading. And that would be the best signal to me that we can start. Also, let's do it. Okay, good. Hi. Yes, hi. Also, I will check quality video. Hi. Yes, hi. Oh, good. Also, I will check good video quality, sound and video perfect. Thank you. Thank you. I see that people came back to us. Okay. Friends, once more, we will cover top instruments at this moment, and after that, I will share with you some ideas. At this moment, let's start from EURUSD, because as you can see, I recorded EURUSD analysis on TradingView, and that's a reason why you should follow me on TradingView. I would like to share with you this link. Get this link. Also, I would like to share with you a link of our free Telegram channel and link of our free crypto channel. I would send all of this to you, my dear friends. You can open it, subscribe, because you will get a lot of useful stuff, and also subscribe on my YouTube channel. About EURUSD, as you can see, I told to many people that EURUSD at this moment can make uprise. Let's open a chart and you will see what's going on at this moment. That would be the best for all of us. Trading plans by EURUSD. Okay, better to Euro trading instruments. Okay, EURUSD. What's going on at this moment, and what I told to many of you. Price was still in this uptrend from this accumulation. At this moment, you can see the same logic which you could see here. Every low is higher and higher, and price in accumulation. At this moment, I don't see a reason why EURUSD should change its trend, because we have technical reason up, we have trend up, and we have United States print huge amount of money. That's why together we have huge reasons why the price can make uprise. Also today from this morning price dropped down more than 1 ATR. From this point, price dropped down more than 1 ATR. What does it mean? That today pullback had happened. On this analysis, you will see a detailed reason why I sent a buy today. What we can do? If there would be a slowly approach to this key level, as you can see, after breakout of this key level, I recommend you to open buy position. About that, about buy on EURUSD, I told to all of you many days ago, as you can see here. On Monday, on weekends, I also told to all people open buy on EURUSD when price was at 1.1243. Why I told it? Because that's a reason: trend and accumulation. Also, you can see we sent a buy signals to our VIP members. I would like to share it with you. Our trades on crypto, on Forex, on EURUSD. As you can see, we sent yesterday buy signal and close it at high. Also, we sent a buy signal at 1st July to all our VIP members, and all of them made money on EURUSD. That's why if you want to get signals from us, write to us. Contacts you will find below this analysis. Marcin Krawiecki, I opened the more risky position related to your trading view video. Tell me please, what's going on with your position currently? Where is your stop loss? Yes, I trade it EURUSD. Good, awesome. Did you make money on EURUSD, Dimitri? Right, please. Friends, ask your questions about EURUSD, which you have at this moment, and after that I will show you other major currency pairs. That's why about EURUSD, follow the trend, don't think about a lot of stuff. That's why EURUSD I should have here as the high. The next one will be British Pound USD, British Pound. At this moment, like I told to many of you, the price broke up this downward channel. Technically, price broke up this channel, but technically price still inside of this channel. And I do believe that with huge possibility, price can rise up to higher border of this channel. As you can see, it's here. That's why I believe that from this point, price can continue uprise. Also, as you can see, we have this key level from which price bounced here, 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 here. Price on daily chart rose up, and it calls a dynamic key level. As you can see, false breakout today had happened. After false pullback, we can open buy with stop loss below it, because with huge possibility price will continue uprise after breakout of this channel. The same stuff were here. As you can see, British Pound broke up this channel, and after that this uprise. This history can repeat on British Pound. That's why follow the trend. Don't when you open a position, always ask yourself where you will put your stop loss. Will you have low and predictable stop loss? Because many of you, when you open a position, you don't treat it like a price can go against you. You should remember, take a look on our position which we made on EURUSD. Here it was our stop loss. Stop loss was so small, and take a look, take profit was in many times bigger, in 5 times or even 7 times bigger was our take profit. Just imagine 7 times, 5 times. Okay, when we have take profit in 5 times bigger, you can have even 40% profit trades and you still makes money. That's how real trading works. That's why pay attention to risk reward and always set stop losses. There would be stop losses, but sometimes I receive messages from people who write to me from TradingView, Yuri, price goes against me, and what to do? Use stop losses and proper money management. That's all. For all people, we created a free course, a free trading course, which you also can join. Here, you will find a link on my TradingView page. I recommend you to sign up on this course, free trading course for freshers, where I show to you everything about risk. After this one, I recommend you open it, subscribe. Believe me, it would be useful for you. What level will EURUSD climb to before it drops at the returns, or do you expect a strong uptrend after breakout? Yeah, I expect strong uptrend if on EURUSD. Why? Because the same were here. After such accumulation, take a look, price made this powerful uprise for 400 pips. I expect at least price will hit this key level. What will be after that? Hard to speak, because as you can see on a history, in most cases, when EURUSD made a real low or a high, it changed, it bounced, as you can see it here. Will it happen again? Yes, it can happen. Everything depends how price will approach to this key level. If that would be slowly approach, slowly, that would be breakout. If not, could be powerful bounce. Waiting for new entry. When do you think EURUSD will touch 1.1 again? Hard to say when it will touch, because what you show 1.11, it means your entry against main trend, and when your entry against main trend, huge possibility it will not appear. You should always follow the trend. That's your mistake. Open that link here, free trading course. I sent top TradingView. Subscribe, there are good lessons about money management, cycles in trading. If you are fresh, or start from that, it will help you save thousands of USD. It is good to be here. Thank you, Jonathan. I appreciate you. Friends, push like if you think at this moment it's useful and it's worth to be here. Hi, I opened buy position on EURUSD at 1.1265, and where I should put stop loss. Such kind of question, it is not proper. When you ask such questions, it means you don't know how to set stop losses. It is not wise. If you trade and you don't know how to set stop losses, better to leave the trading, because stop losses, it is a foundation of all trading. About EURUSD, where you can set stop loss at this moment. The safest stop loss will be below this daily candle yesterday. At this moment, it is the safest place to set stop loss. That's all. What else? Few seconds. I would like to open it again because, as you can see, good. You deserve more likes. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, friends. Good morning, Yuri from Yoko Palm Beach. Thank you. Nice to see you here. Friends, push like and share it with your friends and ask your questions about trading directly, because it must be like, I want to help you and I want to, you will do better. Love your work, man. Thank you. It's pleasure. For me, it's pleasure to read when you write to me such words. In that case, I have more desire to create some useful stuff, good analysis for you, because I try to do as best analysis with all my 7 years experience. About Australia. Australia at this moment a little bit controversial, because at this moment, as you can see, price made false breakout of this high of December 2019, false breakout here, as you can see. At this moment, the price inside of this box, and as you can see, yesterday price failed to break it up, failed. That's why at this moment, wait what will be the next, because if the price will continue up price, as you can see, price inside of this box, every low higher and higher. What does it mean? That someone buy, every lows buy. And if there would be still breakout of this, after breakout open buy entry, because still we have this uptrend, and breakout of this range, if there would be up breakout or down breakout, after that price will follow for that trend. What, according to you, will happen with gold? Will it remain to move downward or will it rise? About Bitcoin, I will speak about Bitcoin, Cardano and Link, because I will show you how to trade crypto and best stuff. You screwed, what price expect? Okay, well, it will be. My friends, at this moment we create with my team a special offer. Those of you who will open account with our trustful FCA regulated broker with account more than 1000 of USD, you can get our free month signals for free. Forex signals. That broker regulated in the United Kingdom. You can open our lesson. I will share with you trustful broker. As you can see, so soon we will move to Discord. Our VIP room, we will move to Discord, and there will be a lot of useful stuff. I sent to you a video where you can read a reason why I open account there and our link. It will work only for those who will open with our link. Okay. Can you analyze EURUSD? Yes, I will do it. For a start, major instrument on a fixed market, and after that we will do gold, oil and crypto. About gold, first, always open my TradingView page, because sometimes you should remember, sometimes picture will not change in few minutes. As you can see, today I already record video analysis about gold. If you didn't see it right now, open it and watch. About gold, once more about gold. First, when you analyze gold, you always must have two instruments, gold CFD and gold futures. Why? At this moment, I will share with you information why. Because many of you thought why gold bounced from this point. Because still price didn't come to these key levels. Because if you will take a look on futures gold, you would see that the price of gold bounced from this high of 2011. as you can see, false breakout and bounce it. And when some of you will tell that key level strategy doesn't work, show to them this picture and they will see price bounce it from powerful key level and how it works. That's why at this moment I still expect the trend with huge possibility will continue, because if you would take a look on gold here, you would see the price still inside of this upward channel. Price made false breakout, as you can see, on previous days. That's why what do I expect? What do I expect? Price will follow, will continue, especially as you can see yesterday daily candle closed at high. It's a good signal for buy opportunities. That's why at this moment you can try to open buy. I personally, I do not trade a trend lines because I wait for something for key level. I trade a key level, horizontal levels, because there I understand where volume can bring on a market. At this moment, as you can see, I have two key levels. First one here, second one here. And also the next one key level here. What I would trade if there would be pullback, false breakout, I will open buy, or if there would be breakout of this key level, I will open buy entry in two cases. Can British pound make a pullback to 1.23 before going up, sir? Yes, it can do. Everything can happen. For you, far more important question is where to open entry with low and predictable risk. That's what you need to ask yourself. My friends, right now subscribe on my YouTube channel if you think it is useful what I showed to you, because there you will get a lot of useful video lessons, and believe me, there would be far more. Okay, ask your questions about instruments which you would like to see. About what other? Let's open Brent oil. I will do major instruments. You keep Brent oil. Brent oil. I will do Brent oil and I will do WTI oil. Brent oil. As you can see, we have this gap level and US oil at this moment. I showed you US oil, and US oil again bounced from it. What does it mean? At this moment it looks like a price create a triangle. Do you see this triangle? And what in most cases can happen, if there would be breakouts, that would be a powerful place to open buy, because the same way here, price create triangle, slowly approach to it, and after that broke up and start a trend. There always will be such cycle, even here small triangle, and after that powerful drop. That's why about oil, pay attention to it. At this moment I do not recommend you to open any sell position. Why? Because every low higher and something wrong, because we have some currency pairs which connected to oil, strongly connected to oil. For example, there are a Russian ruble which connected to oil, like very with huge, like there are huge correlation, maybe more than 70%, 60%. And as you can see, it's rising. When oil price rise, USD ruble must drop. But at this moment it looks like the trend, as you can see, trend had changed. That's why something going on, going to happen on oil, and pay attention to it. But still better to trade this breakout, because you will have low predictable risk. You will have risk like 40 pips, and your potential profit could be to next key level, and next key level at 48. What is the trading plan you would recommend when moving from trading Forex to energies and metals, and do you use the same trading strategy? I use the same trading strategy. You see, I analyze all instruments with the same key levels like I do at this moment. That's why I use the same strategy. About that strategy, I teach my students. Also, you can join free trading course and write about free trading course where I show that strategy which I use. Example for you of that trading course, few seconds. You can open this post on copy post link. Open this post in our trading channel. It is a feedbacks from that trading course. It is, once more, it is for free, and there you will understand my approach. After that, we will be able to speak about something more. Okay, my friends, push a like, don't be greedy. What instruments should I analyze? Type into a chat. Also, type it, was it useful till this moment, what you saw? US oil. Next one about Euro British Pound. At this moment, also a little bit interesting instrument. Everything depends where daily candle will close. Because as you can see, what had happened? Price broke up this upward channel. But no, price broke up all this top, all this foundation. At this moment, it depends will there be down drop or not, because as you can see, we have head and shoulders here, and at this moment, everything depends where this daily candle will close. If there would be daily candle close below it at low, breakout of this key level will create a down drop tomorrow. If that would, because that would looks like a triangle. That's why pay attention to it. To be honest, I sent to all our VIP members, I'd sent to them that from this point there could be bounce, but at this moment I see that for us far more important wait where daily candle will close, because if daily candle close exactly at this key level, tomorrow there could be powerful down drop on the Euro British Pound. USD Japanese, as always, use. Thank you. British Pound, really good, explained and clear. Thank you, my friends. Okay, let's do all instruments which you just wrote to me. Euro Australia. Euro Australia. At this moment, about this instrument, a little bit hard to speak, because what we have, as you can see, we have downtrend. Trend is your friend, that's a foundation. As you can see, at this moment, price came back to this mirror area. And what can be the next? Hard to say, because inside, as you can see, this volatility is not healthy. And can price change a trend from this point? Yes, it's possible, but still, as you can see, price inside of this downward channel. That's why I recommend you to follow the trend, because if there would be mistake, you will lose not much. But if you will be right, a huge possibility that the price will drop down, will far more down, because as you can see, powerful trend started from that point. And as you can see, a good trend can continue for, as you can see, this trend continue from 2017 till 2020. For 3 years, powerful trend can continue. Pay attention always to it, to global trend, local trend, and all together. Also indexes, yes, I will do indexes after gold, oil, and crypto. What else? British USD Japanese yen and British Pound Japanese yen. USD Japanese yen. USD Japanese yen. At this moment, as you can see, we have this paranormal candle from which price bounced several times. Today, price already rose up the full ATR from this point to still this point. Japanese yen rose up full ATR, average daily moves. That's why today I do not recommend you to do something. But if daily candle will close at high and there would be slowly approach to this key level, that would be a good buy entry tomorrow. Today, I do not recommend you to trade it. And that's all. That's all what I see at this moment. Because price still, Japanese yen still is not beautiful, because as you can see, for the last many days, many weeks, price in this horrible range. I don't like it. When use ATR, oh my god, oh my god, oh ho 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 ho. What should you do? About ATR, you open YouTube, BiKo Trading. After that, you open ATR indicator lesson, and you watch it. And after that, you will know what is ATR. please, such questions which I have on my YouTube channel, open it and watch the lessons. I recorded it. I spent so much time. My team rendered that video to make it beautiful and better. And just watch it. That's all. It's for free. I joined according to your recommendation XAUUSD Trader when you did first marathon like signals. If you open an account with if you open account with our link and more than 1000 of USD, yes, you will get 3 month signals for free. Below this video, you will find a link where you can write to my team, Telegram or Facebook Messenger. Right there and send to my team your account number, XAUUSD Trader. And if XAUUSD Trader will approve that you have account and you deposit it, yes, you will get your bonuses. Jonathan, about Euro British Pound, I just told that's why after this record, this stream, you will be able to watch it again. British Pound Japanese yen. About British Pound Japanese yen price, it looks like it follow far more British Pound than Japanese yen, because as you can see, the price broke up this downward channel, and technically there could be a up price the same way here, as you can see. Far more important question where to open entry, because to be honest, also there is this one inside channel. That's why I would skip it. I don't like such game, but with huge possibility it will follow British Pound USD and will rise up. But I don't have accurate entry at this moment, which I can recommend you. Australia, Canada. What is powerful? Still keep that's powerful. Still keep up good work. Thank you, my friends. If you think it's really powerful and worth it, push like and subscribe on our YouTube channel, and also share it with your friends traders. That would be the best thank you from your side. Australia, Canada. Australia, Canada broke up this range accumulation. Few seconds, I will do a little bit better. And here, huge accumulation, price broke it, every low higher and higher. Technically, it is a bullish picture. Also, we have this trend up. That's why it's bullish picture. There is no reason why should it drop. That's why follow the trend, and that's all. And what USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc, global trend down. As you can see, all global trend down. Technically, everything depends where this daily candle close, especially if it will close below this low, that will trend will follow. Price will follow the trend. Today, you can see in VIP group, we sent buy signal on USD Swiss franc, as you can see here, but we close it because we think downtrend can continue. At this moment, you also can see that we sent a sell signal on previous week on USD Swiss franc and take profit. Price already hit a take profit. That's the reason why you should join our VIP room, because on everyday basis you can get accurate signal with entry exit points. Also, every day I record such video analysis, and so soon we will move on Discord, where there would be news, fundamental, my best trades, which I will share with all people, and all that stuff, fundamental news, which my team will send. That's why also lessons for those who just start with signals. That's why, my friends, you should write to us and ask my team about participation. I'm long on Euro Canadian, entered at target any thoughts, currently up 50 pips. I don't know a reason why you open a position. That's why I will not give you any recommendation. About Euro Canadian, I can tell you my thoughts and recommendation, but it is not good Euro Canadian. When you ask question in such ways, it is not proper. Because example for you, how my students send to me homework. Hello, it is my homework. Example, preconditions: global trend down, local trend down, how much ATR price rose up, accumulation, where was accumulation, and is it per the efforts. Such type of questions, yes, if you ask in such way, I can help you. If you just ask me about this and I don't know the reason why you open it, that's why I will not do it. Okay, I'll do Nasdaq, my friends, I'll do it. Okay, we finished with Forex. I just finished with Forex. Next one will be Bitcoin, Link, and Cardano. My friends, do you want to watch Bitcoin analysis? Friends, type into the chat, would you like to see Bitcoin analysis? I wait for your feedbacks and reply. I wait for it. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, and yes. Okay, good. Let's do Bitcoin and those instruments. Crypto. Bitcoin. Okay. At this moment about Bitcoin, to be honest, it is the hardest to speak because still at this moment, as you can see, price in this channel, we can say a channel. Technically, price can follow the channel, also price inside of this channel, and that's why what can I tell you? That's why it's hard to trade Bitcoin at this moment, because yes, we have this global trend up, but at this moment, after such accumulation, we will have a powerful trend, because you can compare it with the same situation which was here. As you can see, Bitcoin rose up, and take a look. Before Bitcoin rose up, price showed to us in what direction it would want to move, because every low was higher and higher. That's a good signal and example how price can show to us what will be the next. At this moment, for me, hard to say, because I don't have like a good level, a good direction. That's why at this moment, my friends, to be honest, we sent a sell signal with our VIP, to our VIP members in our VIP crypto room. As you can see, Bitcoin, we sent a sell signal to our VIP crypto members because price at border of this channel, but still it is not the best signal which I saw. I personally would recommend you to skip it and wait for something accurate. For breakout, for example, if there would be breakout of this range, of this one, breakdown, that would be a good powerful signal, or there would be a breakup of this channel. In that case, I would recommend you to open it. In other case, it will be a bigger risky entry. Okay, my friends, thank you for your attention. Good. The next one about Link, Cardano and Link. Cardano, I record also a video analysis here on TradingView. You will be able to watch it again after the stream, and I recommend you to watch it again because you will understand a logic which I sent to all people. As you can see, the price made a false breakout of this previous low, made false breakout and started powerful uprise. At this moment, price at this high made false, even broke it. What can happen at this moment? With huge possibilities, there could be the same stuff which was here. Price broke it, rose up, and after that made a pullback. If the same will happen, price will rise up, will make a pullback. You can open buy and follow, because this instrument, it's only the one instrument which on crypto market looks good, which have a different game, which does not follow the Bitcoin. That's why follows it. And also about Link, I always in video analysis to our VIP members, I always told to them that Link also have this different game, price in powerful uptrend. And at this moment, example for you, how price can show to us that it want to break it. As you can see, price slowly approached to previous all history high, and after that boom, uprise. At this moment, best what you can do, if there would be pullback, open by entry to continue the trend. My friends, is it clear for you about this beautiful cryptocurrency pairs? Tell me please your thoughts about this beautiful currency pairs, and I will go to indexes. Many of you had asked me about Nasdaq and other indexes. Where's all indexes? Okay, first about Nasdaq. Some of you had asked me about Nasdaq. Yes, to the moon, to the moon. What else I can tell you? No one could expect that the price would rise up so dramatically, but the main reason why price rose up so high, you can see it here. I share it with my student, with my VIP student, which I teach personally. Take a look M2. It is how much money there are in economy, and take a look how much money were printed last days. M2. M2 money stock. Okay. As you can see, a crisis had started. It is how much money United States government print all the time. As you can see, it is a parabolic. It is not good for global economy. We will have, my friends, huge USD inflation in the world because of this. Such stuff, it showed to us that gold and British pound, S&P, yes, I will do S&P 500. About gold and British pound, you'll be able to watch it again after this stream, because I already did it. My friends, this chart showed to us how much money US print, and it is tax which they take from whole world. We pay for that tax. S&P 500. S&P 500, if nothing will happen, also will follow the Nasdaq, because huge amount of money were printed, and it looks like it will continue uprise, because at this moment, what is the reason why that can happen? Maybe some war, especially if the United States will finish and close all the difficulties with protests which they have. If that will calm down, it will rise up even far more. Only if there would be some global huge protest, price can drop. At this moment, everything shows up. We price in this uptrend. What can you do? Yes, you can try to open sell first time at this powerful key level. If that would be first time price will approach to it, a huge possibility that would be bounce, and that's all. Okay. My friends, and Dow Jones, okay, and Dow Jones. Where is it? Dow Jones, to be honest, slowly, it moves slowly than other instruments, but still it is in this uptrend. All these American indexes will follow together. If S&P will rise up, Dow Jones will rise up also. That's why this moment follows the trend. Follows the trend because with huge possibility price will continue, and your mistake, even if it will go against you, your mistake will be slow, but your benefit could be in 5-10 times bigger. You need to understand that in some cases I will be wrong, and you need to use proper money management, because when I work, when I trade, my take profit always in many times bigger. Example for you of my best patterns. Take a look on here on British pound USD. As you can see, my stop loss was below this tail, and take a look, take profit in many times very bigger, in many times bigger. Another example for you on Australia, New Zealand. Take profit, stop loss was 20 pips, and I took here more than 100 pips, 1 to 5. It was my first goal. Another example here on oil. Stop loss above high 30 pips and oil drop 200 pips. What else for you? What the last entry which I shared with my people who were on marathon, also the same here. We took 124 here, and all people who were on marathon, I record to them video analysis why I traded. Do you do stocks? Yes, I analyze stocks, but at this moment I do not trade stocks, but I analyze, and we can see the chart. Maybe this is because of OBS, maybe because of this stuff I can't share with you because of this we can Tesla. About Tesla, it is completely different situation because when you trade Tesla, it is Tesla. When you analyze some instrument, for example Tesla, at this moment for me it's hard to say something about Tesla because you can open FinViz, and when you will analyze Tesla, you can where is Tesla? And what else? For example, let's compare Tesla with Toyota and with Toyota Motor Company and Volkswagen. How can Volkswagen Group, oh my god, how to write it, because I pronounce it for Volkswagen, because I pronounce it in my native language, and I'll show you, compare it together. What do you trade now? Currently, I love to trade currency pairs, gold, oil, and indexes. Also, I analyze stocks, and I love to buy stocks. But intraday, for me, hard to buy stocks because I do not trade. I do not live in the United States. Maybe if I would live at least in UK and Spain, I would do it, because trading session, stock trading session starts at 4 p.m. My time, Ukraine time, and when I need to trade stocks, I need to work from like 2 p.m. till 12 p.m. something like that, and for me it is not good. I don't like it. About example for you, when you speak about Tesla, take a look. Market cap 235 billions of USD, income minus 44 million, sales 26 billions. Okay, cash they have 47 millions. Okay, that's Tesla. Toyota, market cap 200 billions, income 19 billions, sales 278 billions. Volkswagen, a few seconds. Volkswagen stock. Volkswagen Group, why I can find it here on common stock. Volkswagen, few seconds. I don't know why we can't find it here, maybe because it is European stock. Okay, it doesn't matter. It's example for you, Toyota Motor Company or another situation. Income minus income, sales 26 billions. Toyota, income 90 billions, sales 278 billions. And at this moment, ask yourself, why fucking Tesla company rise up? Because there are a Robin Hood and some like app, and Elon Musk can stand up and tell, hey guys, we will put Tesla on the Mars. And after that, people buy it. But there is no fundamental reason why. That's why I do not do not recommend you to trade Tesla because there is no fundamental reason. Fundamentally, this stock even worse than Toyota, because Toyota, you saw sales of Toyota. Here, take a look of this website. I will share it with you. It's completely for free and you can read the information. That's why before you make any investment decision, that's analyze it like I did it just for you. Yuri, do you trade futures? I can think some people say the trade futures is because it's more transparent than FX. What do you think about it? It depends what is your account size. If you don't have at least 100k on your account, forget about it. I share with all people, with all students, a broker which I personally use. You can open account here. It is FCA regulated. With my investors, we have here more than we have few 100k here, and there were no problems with this broker. And you can trade the CFD and futures. If you don't have at least 100,000 on your account, forget about such questions. Also, for those who will open account with my link, you will get 3 month signals for free. What you need, open link, deposit 1,000 USD. It will be your money. You will be able to withdraw it at any time, and write to my team, show your account that you deposited, and you will be in. Because as you can see, so soon we will move from Telegram VIP groups. We have 2 groups to beautiful Discord, where will be all the stuff at the same time. There would be all the information: Forex, RS, crypto, RS, video analysis, trading view, weekly market outlook, news about our company news, and there would be fundamental analysis. Also, there would be about mindset, about sport books which you can read as a trader. That's why it will be completely different. And also IPO. So soon we will start IPO project and investing. That's why for you it will be game changing. But for some of you who yes, 400k account, because you don't with smaller account, forget about it. If you have 1,000, 2,000, forget, it will not help you. You can open account with FCA regulated broker, and that's enough. Also, my friends, if you want to get accurate signals which we send to our VIP members, as you can see on EURUSD, it's just an example of that signals which I sent to you, to all our VIP members. Also, if you want to get good education, I can teach you how to trade better and how to trade properly. You can read feedbacks about my work here. It was a 10 feedback copy post link. Open my Telegram channel and read the feedbacks. I'll teach you a good strategy which will be game changing for you, and I can save you few years and thousands of USD of your trading career. All stuff, all the information you will find below this in description. You can use right here, that for you, just right here, and you will get all the information. Telegram or Facebook Messenger. My friends, once more ask you for like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Bye.